Hello guys, welcome to Happy Home Tuber, and today we are going to make vegan coconut laddu. So let's get started. So we will start by adding 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. You can also use the designated coconut which we get easily in the markets. So we just need to take only 1 cup of that, and we have to roast it on a medium to low flame. And make sure that you take a heavy bottom pan for making these laddus so that the mixture will not stick to a pan. So we need to roast this coconut just for about 1 to 2 minutes, and once it is roasted well, we need to transfer it to a plate. And now we are going to add some dry fruits. This will add very nice flavor and taste to our coconut laddus. So here I have taken some almonds and walnuts. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. And to help roasting, we will take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and this will also add a flavor to our dry fruits, and it will be easy for us to roast our dry fruits. So I am adding just 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil into this, and just for 2-3 minutes it will be ready. And now I am going to add my 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, or we call it til. And this also add a very nice flavor and a nutty taste to our coconut laddus. So do try this, and we just need to keep it on a side in a blender, and once it is cooled we have to make it a fine powder. In the same pan I am taking half cup of sugar, and now I am going to add some water. Approximately 1/4 cup of water only we need to make it, and we don't have to make any kind of chashni for making these laddus. They are super easy recipe, and we just need to make it give it a 1 boil and let it dissolve the sugar completely. And to enhance the flavor of our sugar syrup, we need to add some rose essence and some cardamom. You can also add some saffron strands also if you have. This will add a nice color and aroma for our laddus. Because I'm making it for my Ganesh chaturthi, so I'm adding some more extra flavor to make it more tasty and flavorful. So our sugar syrup looks ready, and we have to keep aside our dry fruit mixture, which I have grinded it nicely to a powder. And this sugar syrup also looks ready. It is completely dissolved, and I've seen that some bubbles are formed, but we don't have to make any kind of chashni again, I'm telling. So we just need to give it a 1 boil, and we have to dissolve the sugar completely. So this looks ready, and now we have to just add our sugar, our dry fruit mixture and our grated coconut mixture into our sugar syrup, and we have to just give it a nice mix. So because I've used fresh coconut, that's why my mixture looks moist. But if you are using designated coconut, which we easily get in market, then maybe your mixture will look dry. So we just need to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond milk, or any plant-based milk we can add. And just 1 to 2 tablespoons will be enough for making it moist and to cook our coconut well. So our coconut will be moist when we add milk, and once the moisture is absorbed by coconut and our dry fruit mixture, in that consistency we have to just switch off our gas and transfer this laddu mixture to a plate. Because right now this will be very hot, so you just need to make this laddu mixture little bit warm. But you have to be very quick in making laddus, because once it is cooled it will be a bit difficult for making or for binding our laddus well. So we just need to make sure that we are using it warm. Okay, so just for the color, here I have taken some coconut with green color, green food coloring, and some coconut I have taken I have added some blue color. This is completely optional, but this is just to make it more colorful and more appealing. It looks so cute. And now I have greased my hands with coconut oil, and my laddu mixture is also warm, and it's okay to make a laddu now. And we just need to quickly make our laddus to a ball shape, and you can make it big or small as per your liking, but I am making medium sized laddus only. And we just need to coat it in our colored coconut like this. So this green laddu is also ready. Just keep it aside on a plate. And now the same way we have to make all our laddus, and we have to keep rolling and coating our with colorful coconut. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to Happy Home Tuber, because I always try to make some healthy and some innovative recipes. Do check my other recipes also, do watch my other videos and do subscribe it. And see, this blue color laddu is also ready, and they are super cute and my family loves it the most. And being it vegan, it is completely healthy. Do try this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned.